To make salsa, this is all we need. Tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, 1 small onion, 1 lemon, an jalapeno, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, ground cumin, and paprika, and cilantro. Make sure the cilantro is fresh. That will give it a nice color and the crunchiness with a lot of flavor. So for making salsa, we have to chop everything finely, and the secret ingredient is sugar, and I also add some vinegar to enhance the flavor. These two things just make the salsa even more tasty, with some tanginess and some sweetness, and also reduces the tanginess from the tomatoes. So let's get started. Let's start with chopping cilantro. Make sure we chop it thinly. Again, thinly chop it. Now let's chop the onion. For my salsa, I prefer all the ingredients to be chopped and not put in the grinder and just made into a paste. That's why it's more of a chunky salsa. One clove of garlic, and then chop it so all the oil from the garlic oozes out and gives plentiful flavor. Now let's chop our jalapeno. I'm just going to do half of jalapeno. so it's not very hot and kids can still have it. So now we're done with the chopping. We'll add our ingredients, some sugar, salt, cumin powder, paprika, we will squeeze the lemon and then mix it. So here is our secret ingredient, white vinegar. You can use any vinegar, but white vinegar does not have any extra flavor to it. So that just makes the salsa really yum. Give it a mix. It's ready. Enjoy.